is kind of interesting and it's very pretty. I think you have to be here to experience something like this.
Look at this view. At 4,000 feet, you're looking at this beautiful lake, a glacial lake, alpine lake. It's amazing.
Tarsar Marsar, a canvas painted by God's own hands. You may have done tracks, visited beautiful places, but nothing compares to the beauty of this place. Life seems to be in HD color throughout this track. It starts from Aru village near Pahalgam, which is a known jewel of Kashmir. Aru is around 3 to 4 hours away from Srinagar and is a remote village in Kashmir. Tarsar Marsar track is spread over 7 days and is a easy to moderate level track which can be done by beginners as well. The best time to do this track is from July to mid-September. You must have seen this place in many Bollywood movies, and now it's your turn to be the part of these landscapes. We will take you on a journey which will be one of the most beautiful journey of your life. On day 1st, the journey begins from Srinagar. The pickup point will be TRC near Dal Lake, where you will meet the Searching Souls representative who will be guiding you further. On the way, you will be crossing some beautiful places of Kashmir like Pahalgam. You need to carry your Aadhaar card, medical certificate and a trek insurance to do this trek. After reaching the campsite, you will be a part of the majestic Aru Valley. You will be served with tea and snacks followed by a briefing session. The night stay will be in tents and sleeping bags will be provided by us. The Searching Souls uses branded and high quality equipments in all our tracks.
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग दिस इज़ ईशा. कल हम श्रीनगर से आरू वैली आए थे. आरू वैली काफ़ी सुंदर है एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड तारसर मारसर ये.
Day 2nd, after the breakfast, you will be heading towards Leatherwad. Today, you will be going through flower beds, lush green meadows and water streams. As soon as you will be about to reach the campsite, the views will leave you speechless. After reaching the campsite, you will be served with hot lunch. Post lunch, we will have some fun activities with the group. Day 3rd, after the breakfast, you will be leaving for Shikwa's
तो आज हमें
campsite.
टेक लाइन चाहिए 7 पे, ठीक है? तो यहाँ से पानी बाहर लेना, ठीक है? क्योंकि आगे पानी ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा.
Hi, good morning. It's our second day of trek to Tarsar Marsar.
We are on our way to Sheikhwas camp from Litterwad. We just started from Litterwad and it has been an amazing experience.
The trek distance today will be of 6 kilometers. You will be guided by our experienced track leaders who are qualified from NIM and HMI. The entire team of the Searching Souls is trained for emergency first aid. Throughout this trek, safety is our first priority, and we are the only company in India to introduce medical tents that are equipped with rope, oxygen cylinder, oximeter, stretcher and basic first aid. Day 4th is going to be the very exciting day, as today you will be witnessing the first lake, which is Tarsar Lake. Today the track distance is of 5 kilometers. Tarsar Lake in Kashmiri means the lake of life. After the snacks, one can spend time near the lake. This is one of the best day of the track. Day 5th, you will be heading towards the second lake of this track, that is Sundarsar Lake. The total track distance is of 5 kilometers. The vastness of this track will offer you a majestic view that you will never forget. Today the campsite will be near Sundarsar Lake. The evening scenes from this campsite are jaw-dropping and the golden hues are breathtaking. Day 6th, you will be heading towards Homwas via Marsar Lake. Marsar Lake in Kashmiri means the lake of death and is the largest among the three. One can only witness the lake from top.
At 4,000 feet, you're looking at this beautiful lake, a glacial lake, alpine lake. It's amazing.
The track distance today will be of 9 kilometers. And today will be your last camping night. Day 7th is going to be the last day of your track. And today you will return to Aru Valley from where all this journey started. This 7-day journey is going to be the unforgettable experience of your life. Those untold stories, epic moments and some new friendships. The rewards are extremely beautiful. For more information, you can visit our website www.thesearchingsouls.com, or even you can call on the given number. Thank you.
As a part of Net Promoter Score, I'll give 10 out of 10. At the same time, very helpful staff. They always make sure that everyone's safety and making sure that everyone reaches in time.
जो टीम थी हमारी केसेस की, उन्होंने हमारा जो पूरा ट्रिप इतना अमेजिंगली प्लान किया था और इतने अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट किया कि हमको लगा ही नहीं कि हम लोग किसी जंगल में हैं या फिर घर से बहुत दूर हैं।
द सर्चिंग सोल्स का मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा था। टेंट, खाना जो भी था उनके साइड से पूरा हुआ अच्छे से, हमें कोई चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ी।
इतना अच्छा होगा, इतना इजी होगा, बट थैंक्स टू TSS, उनकी वजह से ये हो पाया। ट्रैक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा था
और मुझे TSS का हॉस्पिटैलिटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया। जो भी टीम मेंबर्स हैं वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं। बिल्कुल मतलब स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक वो एकदम साथ ही लेकर चलते हैं।
To see the whole scenery, it's awesome. The arrangement, it's awesome. Really, I would really highly recommend going to Searching Souls. Yeah, thanks.